Hello, I am Carol Reve and welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to do a quick update today on my funnel. I've been so excited about it. Let's get right into it, shall we? And this update is going to be very quick. Now, why does the funnel work and why do you need a system? You need a system because of this right here. It captures people's information so you can send them more information to their email. So you're capturing like an email so that you can send more information about the income streams that are inside your funnel. Okay? And what is inside your funnel is this right here. Now you get a bridge page too, but this is the sales page, the main part of it. This does the selling and telling for you. And then it's very simple. This is the $10 Business International funnel, Leads Leap. You can do this free. The pros of doing it free is, of course, it's cheaper. It's free. The cons of it is you don't get an email series with this. You only get one welcome email put into your funnel. Okay, that's a big con. That's huge. That is, you can have up to 311 days worth of emails with this funnel that I'm giving away to you, okay? So that's huge. And then the other con is that when you're a pro member, you can set up pro ads, and then it's hands-free traffic that gets driven to your pro ads when you're an upgraded member in Leads Leap. So that's big, but the first one, the email series, is huge because that literally is what they call that drips to your leads. It drips. It sends out emails day after day after day about information about the funnel, about GDI, about multiple income streams, about not giving up. It gives them a chance to get to know you, okay? And then step 3, which is basically 3 and 4, send traffic. Those are the big steps, okay? And then this is my email. Now, there's no guarantee you're going to have the same kind of stuff. This takes time. The traffic that you're building up, whether you do social media, which is free, okay, or you do safe lists, maybe you set up a blog. Any kind of organic traffic is going to take time to build it and to grow it, okay? If you could do a small budget with this that you saw. It's all budget friendly traffic. Okay, and as you can see right here on the 6th and on the 5th, this was in like maybe a 36-hour period that the funnel brought in three new customers. Okay, and so if you need something that works cold traffic, yes, this works warm traffic. Almost anything works warm traffic if they know you, but you need something that works cold traffic too. And here's something nice with GDI is you can email your downline from GDI. Okay, they do allow you to do that. And then you can give them help. You can offer them the funnel. You can offer them help. You can offer to answer any questions, okay? So we are here for you. That is the quick update. Very excited about the future for this. And I am always doing new funnels or new capture pages, updating the capture pages, refreshing capture pages, okay, creating more. There's some videos that are coming out to be put on the capture pages. So I'm very excited about this. If you have any questions, post them below. If you'd like a certain training video on like how to set up the email series, how to do this, how to do that, how to edit something, just post it down below in the comment section, okay? God bless. Take care. And yeah, if you have any questions, just post them below. And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. God bless and have a great day.